purses and handbags. How many times have you bought a new purse? You got rid of the old purse. Oh, wait, you didn't get rid of it. You just put it back in your closet. What? You just put it back in your closet? I know. I've done this myself. I'm like, well, there's still some good in it. Why did you replace it then? If it was still good and it was still a nice purse, why did you replace it? And if I replaced it because there was a newer model, it was more fashionable or whatever, that's a good chance to get rid of the old one. So if you have 2 or 3 handbags, that's okay. But if you have 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 handbags, are you ever going to use them again, really? Are you going to empty all that stuff out and put it in another bag just so that you can have a different color? Most people don't. And then if you're like me, you wake up one day and you find that you got like 5 to 10 extra handbags that are old and they're kind of worn out. They kind of have some life left in them. You might have hoarding tendencies. I don't mean to just tell on myself, but that's a good donation thing. That's a good thing to just drop inside a donation box and get rid of it. If you're never going to use that handbag or that purse again, get rid of it, right? It might be a sign that you have hoarding tendencies if you're hanging on to stuff like this that you've already replaced. Already replaced it. You've already said goodbye to it once, right? You already replaced it. Why are you hanging on to it? And if you're hanging on to it and you don't know why, you might have hoarding tendencies.